will not be Igbo, will not be Ka. We are Igbanke. I will speak Benin and Igbanke.
Okay.
That is our major language in Igbanke. Benin and Igbanke language. My name is Eda Robert Chukwu Emeke Acha of Igbanke.
The Igbanke people, as you said, are they Benin or they are Igbo?
We are from beginning and in total, Benin people.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that man from Igbanke said. Of course, we all know that everything that man said there are all lies. Now, let's address what this man from Igbanke said. He said that Igbanke people are not Ika people, and that Igbanke people are not Igbos. You are expected not to be listening to what every elder tells you. Some elders don't know themselves. Some of them don't have sense. Foolish people also grow old. Imagine an Ika speaking community telling you that they are not Ika people, telling you that they are not Igbo people, that they are just Igbanke, making themselves a minority. A Yoruba speaking community will tell you that they are Yoruba people, and other Yoruba people in the southwest will stand by them. But you will see an Igbo speaking community telling you that they are not Igbos, and they will be pushing the entire Igbo race away from them, making themselves a minority, making themselves an easy target for the enemy. Look at it today. The Oba of Benin is claiming that he owns Igbanke, that Igbanke kings are chiefs under him and not kings in their own rights. These people are the sellouts in Igbanke land. This man is a sellout. And the reason why this man is saying all these lies is because he is working in Benin. Now, civil servants for Benin, so he has to lie against his own identity. He has to lie against his own people. He has to speak against his people to retain his position. These people are the kind of people we call stomach infrastructure. They are only concerned about their own stomach. They are not concerned about the welfare of their people. Nothing concerns this kind of people with their people. They are only after their own stomach, after their own pockets. Selfishness. Now rats where they house. Tell rats where they outside say fish they house. If not, rats where they outside don't know whether anything in the house. Look at them. Sell out. Every Igbanke person identify as an Ika person. But only this man thought say Igbanke people not be Ika people. Only this man thought say Igbanke people not be Igbo people. Can you imagine? Hungry people everywhere. The easiest way to make people to lick your feet is to impose poverty on them. Make sure that those people are poor people. That's why if you look at Nigeria today, they used hunger and poverty to inflict upon Nigerians. And that is why so many Nigerians are doing to the bidding of the cabals. Because they need food, they need money to survive. Look at the women in River State were protesting against their own governor, Fubara. River State are saying that they should leave Fubara, that they lost their governor. Why those women were paid to go and protest against their own governor. Why those women collect that money? Because they are all poor people. People are hungry. That's why you go see hungry man go thief. Hungry man go do anything. So far, they promise some money to do that thing. The last time in Lagos, youths were protesting that there is hunger in the country. The last protest, they were protesting that there is hunger in the country. And during that protest, some men and women that were paid to go and protest against that protest. In that protest, those elderly men and elderly women were saying, there is nothing like hunger in the country. We are living fine. Our government is good. They were protesting. And after they did that protest, the people that promised them 5,000 left them. They did not give them any money. After that, those elders started protesting again, saying that they should come and give us our 5,000 naira. Oh, they told us to protest against the protest, that they will give us 5,000. Now they don't give us that 5,000. They started protesting again. Why? Why did they do that thing? It's because of poverty. Hunger no good. That is the same thing that is doing this Igbanke man. Poverty no good. Now poverty make they talk all this rubbish. Why? To retain his position as a civil servant in Benin City. After he did this video, many Igbanke people were speaking against him, dragging him, telling him that he should stop doing that rubbish that he's doing. Who interviewed him? This cripple from Benin. Look at the boy here. That boy is one deceiving this man. The man said that what they speak in Igbanke is Benin language and Igbanke language. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Since the history of Igbanke, they have never spoke Benin language. Igbanke people don't understand Benin language. Unless an Igbanke person don't live for Benin land, learn Benin language. Now those people they speak Benin language. Just as Igbos they Lagos, those Igbos they speak Yoruba. Just like so many Yoruba they Igbo land, they speak Igbo language. That is the only way they learn those languages. But telling us that what Igbanke people speak in their land is Benin is lie. 100% lie. This man is lying. Stomach infrastructure. Mbukadi no no gwani mbukadi nubukoshi okadi no no. Here we fake out. Saboteurs everywhere. Selfish people. Igbanke don't speak Benin language. They don't hear Benin language. And this man is here lying against himself. He's just a lie for himself. Deceiving himself. Elderly man like this. Without shame. It's just like an Okwane speaking community. We tell you that they are not Okwane people. Can you imagine? The man said that he is from Ibonto in Igbanke land. Ibonto is of Igbo origin. The highest deity that the entire Ibonto people worship in that their village in Igbanke is called Obu. Obu is an ancient Igbo deity. Just like I said, Obu deity is also located in Aguleri. If you go to Aguleri, Ezeri, there is a sacred Obi there. What that Obi is called is Obu Uga. It's called Obu. That same Obu is the same Obu in Ibonto, in Igbanke land. They are both connected because they are one people. And this man that is from that same Ibonto is online lying, deceiving the coming generation, telling them lies. And when he did this video, 11 people were propagating it online, deceiving themselves. That crippled boy from Benin asked the man if Igbanke people are Igbos or Benin people. The man told him that Igbanke people from the beginning are Benin people. Wo, hunger no good. Apart from hunger, betrayal and betrayal. You get people who say their blood no good, their DNA is filled with betrayal. Their DNA is filled with selfishness. All Igbanke historians are saying that Igbanke people are not of Benin origin. Igbanke migrated from different Igbo-speaking communities to their present location. And when they settled there, Benin is not in existence then. Igbanke community is older than Benin kingdom itself. And today, Benin people are claiming that they own Igbanke land. But we will never allow such a thing to happen. Because we must never allow it to happen. Igbanke people are Igbo people. You came from Benin and you don't practice Benin culture and Benin traditions. The titles of Igbanke kings are known as Obi and Eze, not as Enoge. Enoge was given to them by the Oba of Benin because Igbanke people they fear now their king just accepts that Enoge title. That reduced them to the level of a chief. But today they say no, that they are not Benin people. That their title is Obi and they stand by their word. Nobody will take Igbanke kings back to that Enoge title. It will never happen in this 21st century. These are the sellouts in Igbanke. Shameless people everywhere coming out to say rubbish. If person talk now, they will say, youth of nowadays, they are insulting elders. Elder, they insult himself. If they don't say youth, they insult elder. The one is insulting himself there. He dey insult himself. And he will be so ashamed if he listen to himself. If you see what it happened to Igbanke now, he go feel so ashamed for disgracing himself online. Because this kind of disgrace now, he carry that disgrace go in family. He disgrace himself and the family. the worst thing that any tribe or race will have amongst them is a saboteur, a betrayer. That is the worst thing that every race or tribe will have in their midst. How did the Yoruba people lose Ilorin to the hands of Fulani people? It's because Afonja betrayed his own people. And because of that, Fulani took over Ilorin. Now Fulani man, they control Ilorin now. Ilorin now belongs to Fulani people. Because of why? Betrayal. That is the same thing that this man is doing. To sell Igbanke people to the Oba of Benin. Look now, the Oba of Benin is claiming Igbanke people, claiming that he owns the whole land. Imagine if this man is an Obi in Igbanke land. He will tell you that Igbanke people are of Benin origin, that the Oba of Benin owns them all. And if not that, Igbanke has other kings as well. Say now only this man they rule Igbanke people. Therefore don't start to teach Benin language for Igbanke. Make sure say they don't speak Ika again. They will just sell Igbanke the way that they sell Ilorin. If they say this man a king now, Igbanke don't go. We must never allow all these sellouts to sell us. We will never allow it. Just look at how the man is disgracing himself. Igbanke people are Igbos. Igbanke people are not Benin people. History have proven that Igbanke people are of Igbo origin. They speak Igbo language till date. Their culture and tradition, names, everything about them is of Igbo ancestry. So there is nothing anyone can do about it. Ishewale.